Coming soon from Disney Videos. In the great tradition of Disney classic motion picture entertainment comes an all-new animated adventure, The Lion King. It's the story of a young prince's journey into adulthood and his courageous battle to become king. The Lion King, coming soon from Disney Videos.
It's showtime!
Introducing Disney's Aladdin, an all-new collection of action-packed animated adventures.
Wow.
Starring Aladdin, Jasmine, the Genie, and all of your favorite friends from the hit movie Aladdin.
We'd better check it out.
Check out the first 3 adventures in this exciting collection. It's like having 3 wishes come true.
Yes!
In Aladdin to the Rescue, Aladdin saves Jasmine from a marriage-minded ghoul.
Now, my dear, enter eternity with me.
In Genie in a Jar, Abysmal the Bandit takes Aladdin, Jasmine, and the Genie prisoner.
This is great! First I steal your carpet, then your genie!
Then in Treasures of Doom, a thief's on the loose in the palace.
I take one of these, and one of these, and one of those!
Don't miss out on 3 times the thrills, laughs, and romance.
That's a swell idea!
It's the first 3 great new volumes of Disney's Aladdin, coming soon from Disney Videos.
Straight out of the sands of time to you!
Watch out for future releases, coming soon from Disney Videos.